Hello, industry partners and friends. I am here at the largest mortgage broker conference in Las Vegas, Nevada, AIM Fuse 2022, and the content has been excellent, and I'm happy to share some of these growth tips with you for October. So let's get started. First growth tip, a lot like a lot of mortgage conferences and real estate conferences, a lot of talk was about mindset. We are in a very challenging market that's just shifted very, very quickly. And the next 15 months will dictate the next 10 years of results. And more than one speaker mentioned this, and I truly believe that. You know, we saw this back in 2008. While we don't believe there's going to be a crash anything like we saw in 2008, there is and will be a softening. Whether we come out of it 3, 6, 9, 12 months, nobody knows, but we will come out of it. It could take a year, it could take 2, but it will happen. Things will reverse themselves. And when that happens, will we be in a position to ride that wave? And so when the going gets tough, the tough get going, right? And that is really the first growth tip is let's be those who choose that side of digging in. We're gonna have to work probably harder than we ever have to make less money. But guess what? We'll be building the foundation for what's going to come after that. So I firmly believe that and know that the work and the stuff that I do now is gonna set me up for success for the next decade, if not longer. The second growth tip for you is that as part of this new market, some of us have to really reinvent ourselves, or maybe not entirely reinvent our business, but to find new ways to build our business. And specifically, I'd like you to consider learning about new products. Talk to a broker like me, talk to somebody you trust, to learn some niche products that can expand your pool of buyers. This is really cool. The Bellagio fountain just went going. Okay, hopefully you can still hear me. We're gonna talk about 2 products really quickly. The 2-1 buy down or temporary rate reduction. Okay, this is gonna become really, really important, especially for your buyers, but also for your sellers, because it has to be seller paid. The cost of it is around 2 1/8% of the loan amount, okay? Of the purchase price. But what it does is it will lower the interest rate for the first 2 years of the loan. So if we can get someone 6 1/4 on a 30-year fixed, for the first year they pay 4 1/4, for the second year they pay 5 1/4. And so with a high level of certainty, those same borrowers are going to be refinancing within a couple of years. Most all industry analysts believe that. So of course it's an educated guess, but that should help a lot of buyers hopefully get off the fence and still be willing to buy, you know, even with the higher note rates in the 6s right now. The second product is a no income verification loan. No, this is not a subprime loan. It actually requires 20% down, okay? 30 days worth of money seasoning, but no income verification. So if you have a client who's self-employed, they have a ton of money in their personal account, 20 or more % to put down, but they just can't get income approved. Maybe they're a gig economy worker. Maybe they're an Uber driver, you know, something like that. This is a product that can work. No debt to income ratio because there's no income. It's based on credit score and it's based on assets that they own. Okay, so give that a look because maybe that could save some deals. Maybe that could expand your pool of buyers. So again, mindset. Okay, I struggle too. Not every day's perfect, but let's improve our mindset. Let's not be a casualty to this soft market. And if you're thinking that you might be, call someone, call me. Let's help each other to continue to grow in new ways and learn new products and strategies to continue to be successful in our endeavors. Have a great month, everyone. I'll talk to you soon.